this is what the fridge looks like before I refill everything. Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Selle. I am so happy you stopped by and click in today's video, which is Fridge and Pantry Restock, Clean and Organize with me. We just did our monthly grocery haul today. If you want to see everything that we got in detail, I will link that video in the description box below so you can check it out and watch it after this one. I am now going to put everything away, clean, refill, and organize the fridge, freezer, and pantry. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you get the cleaning motivation you need from here and clean with me today. Let's do this! If you are new here to my channel, welcome! I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. If you like and enjoy contents about realistic cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, and mom life videos, those are in my niche, so I would really love to have you here and join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss my new weekly uploads. This is not going to be a chatty video. I haven't been feeling well in the past few days. I'm having really bad allergy because of the crazy weather here in Las Vegas. It's hot and cold. It just seems to be like the weather couldn't really decide what it wants, but I want to upload this video as fast as I can for you guys, so here it is. I will be playing my favorite songs while I'm cleaning. I tried the ASMR last time I did my restocking, and most of you told me you prefer the music more since you usually clean with me while watching, so I hope you enjoy the music.
Waiting for a sign to show me my way. The only point I reach is frustration. And then back again, then back again. Trying to see why I had to lie. Go around the moon with your heart. And then back again, then back again. Hey, hey, draw your arrow back. I just want you to fly me into the sky. I'll fall but never crack. Are you dreaming of love too? Or are you still in your shadow? I know I didn't see the good between us, but tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth, so you can blame it on my youth. Courage, no one seems to care that I lost it. You're the only one that's gonna tell me to go back again, give it one more chance. Blame it, one day I will see what it cost me. You're the only one that always trusted me, and that's all I need, my remedy. Hey, hey, draw your arrow back. I just want you to fly me into the sky. I'll fall but never crack. Are you dreaming of love too? Or are you still in your shadow? I know I didn't see the good between us, yeah. I tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen. I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth. What have I to lose? I tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth. Why don't you blame it on my youth? Are you dreaming of love too? Or are you still in your shadow? Are you dreaming of love too? Or Why don't you blame it on my youth?
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life, so my glass was half empty. But you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
My fridge and freezer is not perfectly organized and Pinterest worthy. I'm not perfect, no one is, and that's okay. We are real people living in our home and we make real mess here. I'm just trying my best to organize everything in a way that makes sense for us and functional. Let me know in the comments below which part in your home that drives you nuts every time it gets messy and out of control. Mine is definitely the kitchen. I just can't do anything, even cooking, without cleaning the kitchen first. You know, like the usual, tidying up the counter and wiping them and putting everything that accumulated usually on top of our kitchen island back where they belong.
You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure.
Here, I'm just condensing this pasta that's in this big bowl inside of our fridge. There wasn't really much inside of the fridge earlier, so it was okay in this big bowl. But now that I have to make sure everything fits in the fridge, I'm condensing them and putting them in this food storage so that I can fit everything I need to fit in the fridge.
'Cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear but to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our
I do get lots of questions of how much we spend for our grocery shopping every single month. We usually spend about $700 to $800 every month, depending if we need to buy those non-food items as well, such as paper towels, toilet paper, toothpaste, soap, all those other stuff that are non-food item but we also need. But those are the things that we don't buy every month because we don't finish them every single month. Like the paper towel and the toilet paper, we do get those from Sam's Club, so it's bulk. It is a lot, so they usually last us for about 2, sometimes even up to 3 months. Same thing with like detergent and toothpaste. We don't pretty much finish everything in 1 month, so we don't buy them every single month. That's the answer for that question. Another question that I do get asked a lot is, why do we buy so much food? Honestly, I don't think it's so much food, but if it is to you, then that is your opinion and I respect that. Every family is different. Every family have different priorities. My husband and I, we don't believe in running out of food at home because anything can happen anytime. We also don't go out a lot to eat because we have pretty much everything that we need and want at home. Let me know in the comments down below how many times a week you go out to eat. Be honest, I think this is a fun, interesting question. We only go out about once a week or once every 2 weeks.
Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. You say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Saying what's ain't easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with the fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to care. You have done it now, left me on the ground. This is it, I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. You like a different game, 'cause I don't play and you don't care. Starting new on my own, 'cause I don't need you. I'm going like a different game, 'cause I don't play, but you're so bad. Starting new on my own, someone just take me away. Ooh, hey. You're playing with the fire. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Playing with the fire.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore. And you get some ideas on how to organize your own pantry or kitchen cabinet and fridge. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up as it helps my channel and lets me know what video you like the most from me. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye, friend!